I've been a sailor all my life, as you know. I've done transatlantic, 7 Bermuda races. I did 2 transatlantics, 1 transpac. I raced 5 years, I think, 5 seasons. And this is an exciting vessel to sail. They're 33 feet long, and it's a deep draft. It's narrow, as you can see, and it sails like a big boat. You know, it handles like a big boat. The lure of the boat, part of it is the wood. It's built with Norwegian fir that they put over oak frames. And the scantlings of this boat were light. They weren't substantial. They weren't designed to have a boat to live this long. So they've added fiberglass to the fleet, and I made 6 of them for a group of people in Long Island Sound. So I'm familiar with the glass and the way they go together and the weight structure and the distribution of weight and the laminate and everything else, because we studied that all pretty carefully when we were building the boats. And we did a really good job. I was very proud. I mean, we came within 30 pounds of the specs, and that's pretty good for a 33-foot boat. The fleet that we have in Northeast is in better shape than many of the other fleets. And the only reason they've come this far is because they've been very well taken care of. I thought when the boats came here a few years ago, I thought, Joy, that's just like icing on the cake. You know what I mean? You got a boatyard. I mean, how many things are you going to be given? And now you have those internationals, and they're all in one place, you know, tucked in here. So I think that would be the way I feel about them. You know, I think that's an expression of love for a very unique and beautiful boat, and a very gratifying feeling that they're in your boatyard. That's it.